Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video just to show you what you'll be seeing on Canvas. If you're not new to Canvas, this will just be a review. If you are new to Canvas, hopefully this will help you a little bit. When you get into Canvas, you log into Canvas, you should see your published courses up here. And this will be all of your courses that you're enrolled in at Taylor. Um, they all should have this Mustang on it, so you're really going to have to pay attention to the title here. So when you get on there, you want to make sure first that you go to courses and then you star your courses that you're going to be taking for the year so that they appear on your dashboard. Don't mind mine, I have quite a few. So go ahead and click on your course and you should be taken to your home page. Now the home page will give you some important general information about the course itself, but it also includes these tiles that will take you to important pages that you'll be navigating throughout Canvas. So this year we're taking attendance through Canvas. So you need to make sure that whatever your time is that you're supposed to be in my class, that you're actually here online and doing the attendance button there. So you'll click on this each day, mark that you're there, and then we'll go through whatever lesson we're doing that day. Sometimes we may be on Zoom for 5 minutes, sometimes we may be on Zoom for 15 or 30 minutes, but it will never be the entire period. So that's where the second tile comes in, the Zoom tile, and we'll talk more about this tomorrow during our Zoom meeting, but you might want to look at it now because it'll give you your links. So I'm going to go over all this information with you tomorrow, but each class period has their own Zoom meeting room, and so you need to click on the link. It'll take you to the website, and then these are your passcodes. So if it prompts you for a password, that's what this is. All right, so I just wanted to show you that real quick. The other thing that's on here is your bell schedule. We wanted to put that on there so it's available to you in another place. And then all of these other ones down here are different items that you'll be wanting to use throughout the year. So this is the beginning of the course. There are certain pages that you need to view. Right here gives you right here gives you your course information. This is the course syllabus. So we'll talk about that tomorrow. Your modules tile, the grading policy for this course. There's some information about me if you're interested in learning some personal information. You click on this and you can view that. This is technical support for Canvas Online. And then this is your grade book, so it's Hack. So anytime you want to check your grades, you can do it here. And then this is the Katie Cloud link. So the reason we've given you all of these different modules and different ways to access different pages and places is because we don't want you to have to navigate away from Canvas so much. We want to make sure that you use Canvas for almost everything that you need on for the course. So it will be on Canvas. Hopefully things will go smoothly, but if things do not go smoothly, then I will be more than happy to make adjustments and we can figure things out together as we go along. All right, so over here on the side, where you have the little eyes right here, you're not going to see that on yours. You're just going to see the ones that are up here. So you will have a home page, you will have an announcements page, and I do have one announcement. I'm probably going to add another one there. We're going to utilize the chat this year, so I didn't use that in the spring when they first included that. We have your modules, and we'll talk a little bit about the modules tomorrow. You'll be able to see all of my modules here, but you won't be able to see yours because I'm only publishing the ones you need to see at the moment. And then, of course, your grade grades that we take on Canvas will also be on here. Um, there's probably going to be a lot of different grades on there, especially if there are uh, especially if the attendance is showing up there. So I'll try to figure out a way to fix that if that becomes an issue. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick breakdown of what we're going to be looking at a little bit tomorrow, a little bit on Thursday and Friday. It's not going to be a rough week. I just want to make sure everyone is getting what they need. Make sure there's no technical issues and try to work out any bugs that we have and troubleshoot before we actually get into what we'll be doing in the course starting next week. So the other things on the side here is you have your calendar. The calendar will probably need to be, I guess you can pick your colors. I'm not sure what the student view is, but you can pick your colors for whatever you want for each class. And then of course you have, and then everything that's on the calendar is what's in the modules. So, I mean, you don't really need to look at the calendar unless you know that you're going to be out a day or something and you kind of want to like maybe look to see what's coming up. The other thing is email. Email is the way, email and reminds are probably going to be the ways that I connect to you outside of school hours, especially Remind, and I'll give you that information for Remind tomorrow. I would like everyone to sign up for Remind so that you can get texts on your phone. I don't see your number. You don't see my number. It's a really good way for us to, for me especially, to immediately text you back if you have a question. If you email me, it might take a little bit longer because even though it's connected to my phone, I don't always check my emails right away, but I do check my text messages right away. So if there's ever an issue while we're out of school, then I can immediately help you with that. So, okay, so tomorrow we'll talk more in the Zoom about what my expectations are and what items you'll need to complete for tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. All right, have a good evening, and I will talk to you tomorrow.